Okay, I'm working on a 2015 Kia Soul here, and in this video we're going to be replacing the brake light over here on the passenger side. That's the one right down here on the bottom. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so the first thing we're going to need to do is get the hatch open here. Okay, so to come in here, you notice that we have these little Phillips. So we got 4 of those right there that we need to take out. We'll just start with the bottom. Okay, with our screws out, we're just going to get on here and start pulling on it. And you can get like a strap or something behind it if it tries to be real stubborn, but it should pull out. Okay, so we'll just flip this around. Okay, now you're going to want to disconnect this connector here just to make things easier. Now we can remove the whole thing. So I just got it on a towel so we're not scratching it up here. So we're just going to twist this counterclockwise. This is the bottom, the big end. You may need to pop this wire out here to get a little slack. You see that? Popping it out of that area right there gives you that slack to be able to pull it up and out of there. Right, and you can see that's all burned out. So give it a push down. So you're just going to push like down and then twist, and it'll come right out. And you'll notice these little bumps. And that's what locks it in. As you push it down in there into the socket, it locks. So the one that's up higher is going to go like this. So you see one of them's higher than the other, so the one that's up higher is going to go in the more shallow groove, and it just twists and locks in. Okay, so 2357 is what you're going to want to get. Instead, we're going to put it back in there. So the shallow. And then this will only go one way as well. You note the big notch on there. And then that's going to correspond with this big notch right here. So however how you want to look at it there. So you drop it down in there, give it a twist, it's locked, and we're done. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and reconnect this, just give it a push in. And then you'll note these yellow place, that's where your screws, and then on the other side you can see these little places, and that's where these little, let me show you, those little things pop into those, and that just holds it there, and then the screws hold it on the other side. Okay, so when you go to putting these in, you want to look in there and just verify that those are lining up, and then you can give it a push in. And you should feel it snap, and it'll be all the way down flush. Okay, at this point we're just going to get all of our little Phillips screws back in, and then we'll be all finished up. Okay, I'm just getting the last one and we'll test it out. Okay, as you can see, we got the brake light working there. Now it is way brighter than this side. I may need to go ahead and just put a new one over here on this other side too. Alright, so that's going to do it for this video. Very easy job replacing this brake light here. If you found it helpful, please like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.